PML company are real. They are not scammers.
I really thank them. I have seen them with my 2 eyes today. They are real.
From time immemorial and history, they have also maintained transparency and genuinity in all of their properties.
Think about the things that you've done. My imagination has turned to reality. Oh my God, you do this one, you do this one, When I think about the love that you've shown me, my imagination has turned to reality. Oh my God, you do this one, you do this one, hey, testimony.
We have been in the business of empowering people over the years. We are called as a company that will raise millionaires and turn bushes to cities. That is our slogan. We are known to be a company that raises millionaires and turn bushes to cities. We raise millionaires by using the entrepreneurship and empowerment network to enlighten people, getting to let them understand how they could be able to take a step from where they least they could be able to take and get to where there's least they could be able to get to.
So it's very, very important for you to understand that when it comes to creating wealth, true wealth is asset-based and not cash-based. And one of the things that will help you to be able to build a lasting wealth is real estate. Real estate is the most powerful vehicle of wealth creation. If you want to create wealth, real estate can help you achieve that faster than any other vehicle.
She's crying. Oh, I'm so sorry. I say sorry. Congratulations. We're sorry. How do you feel? Talk to me.
I'm just shocked. Because when my sister asked me to buy, I told her no. And she forced me, but now I want. And I thank you.
0001211. Precious Ijoma. Come here, come. Jesus, hold your son, Jesus, hold your son. Somebody come follow me, hug him. Only me cannot hug you. Jesus, I need to sit down. Make a rest. 3. Hey. Shall we share the grace? I go again. 0018334.
Stand up for the champions, stand up, stand up,
stand up,
stand up for the champions, stand up for the champions, stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, stand up. It's getting close now.
I'll use this platform which they have opened to me to talk to everyone I know, to encourage them to come and buy land, to call them out to do something like this, because not every day get opportunity like this to travel out of the country. So any medium I get to tell the world about this program, I will use it.